Are you the second wife? Why do you marry Egyptian man? Egyptians? No way. Egyptians are liars. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long days since I made my last Real Talk vlog. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about some sarcasm comment that we are receiving since we are married with the Egyptian man. So if you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like and share, bell button to get more notification, and I'll see you in. So before we start our Real Talk vlog, I just want you guys to notice my clothing. As you can see, I am wearing a long sleeve right now because winter is starting. So I feel really cold today. This is the first day actually. The weather in Egypt is already cold. So if you are living here in Egypt, guys, make sure you have all your thick clothing for the winter. So let's start, guys, for our first sarcasm comment usually that we are receiving in social media. First comment that I am receiving as usual, I think not only me, guys, most of the Filipinas or anyone that have the Egyptian husband are getting the same comment as well, like me. So this is the comment that, are you the second wife? So again, guys, not all the Egyptian are getting their second, third, or fourth wife. It's not that easy to get multiple wife here. They need to be qualified first before they will get married the second wife, the third, or the fourth. So whatever the guy is giving to the first wife, he should give the same to the second wife, the third, and the fourth wife. So it's not that easy that like, okay, I will get married my second wife, the third wife, and the fourth wife. It's very complicated. That's the first thing. The second thing, guys, is not all the people here in Egypt are Muslims. So there's Christian as well and some Catholic. So we are one of them. It means I am not a Muslim. My husband also is not a Muslim. For short, I am the only one. Unfortunately, it's his luck and my luck. Especially for him, he cannot get married a second wife. So he is forever stuck with me. Second comment that I'm usually receiving is, why do you marry Egyptian man? I think it's not a proper question for someone that get married with the Egyptian man because you don't know the person personally. So you cannot just judge anybody in that way. It's very sarcastic to ask that question. What if the people will ask you the same question? I really don't understand the people sometimes in the social media. They don't know how to respect. Although we knew that in social media you will get a lot of bashing, something, negative comments. But if we choose to be more open-minded in everything that we are seeing, I think the world will be more better. If you're asking why I am married Egyptian man, if I will answer it, my husband is a really good man. I don't need to put the list of me, or I don't need to explain the qualification that I was looking for with the man. The most important thing is I am happy with my husband. Egyptians, no way. They are red flags. So I believe, guys, some of you are having some history of relationship with the Egyptian. Maybe some are getting so deeply broken inside. They might be some misunderstanding as well. But not all the Egyptians are the same, like what I'm always saying. Yes, there is some Egyptian, maybe there's more. The same what you are saying, that red flags. But when you are dating a person, you're getting to know each other, right? So why you will ended up with someone that red flag. So maybe those people, they didn't find the right person for them, the right Egyptian, although maybe they want Egyptian, but they don't find the right Egyptian for them. So they are getting so bitter when they are seeing some partners happy, some couples doing very well, and it's like their dream, but they didn't get the chance to have it. So they are just throwing their feelings, the bitterness in the social media. I will tell you a story of mine that will make you think for all the decision that you will do, or to whom you're gonna listen to. So when I was dating my husband now, I'm getting a lot of negative comments, opinions from my friends, my colleagues. They really don't support my relationship with my husband. Even though I am seeing my husband really clear, I'm still having some doubt because of those opinions or comments that I am hearing from my friends and my colleagues. So there's some point in my life that I sit with myself and it's like, why should I listen to anyone? I should know my husband better than them because I'm the one always with the person, not them. Maybe most of the people, they are misunderstanding the behavior of the Egyptians, so they are judging them in that way. And for me, since love is there, so it will be more easy for you to understand your partner. So you're the only one knows your partner better than others. So don't just listen what people are saying about your partner. You're the one should know your partner very well. Egyptians are liars. This is the most offensive comment that I am receiving in the social media. Because by that word, you are directly judging the person without knowing them. I'm usually receiving these comments, especially with the Filipinas. They are being cheated by the Egyptian. I'm really sorry to hear those stories from you guys, but I hope you will find the right one for you. If one Egyptian get lied to you, there's 100 millions of Egyptian living in this world, and you still have chance to find the right one for you, inshallah. Just be kind to everyone and spread love. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked my video for today and you learned something. If you like this video, click subscribe, like and share, bell button for more notification, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!